In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to copy a tabloid or A3 size document on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series. Now this printer comes with a flatbed scanner that's able to support up to A3 or 11 by 17 tabloid size documents. So let's place the document onto the flatbed scanner. Align it to the top left hand corner. Next, let's load tabloid size paper into tray 1. In order to load A3 or 11 by 17 tabloid size paper, we need to press on the latch over here and extend the tray. We'll load in some tabloid size paper. Remember to use the paper guides. We need to change the paper type. So the type is plain paper and the size is tabloid 11 by 17. Next, select copy. Document copy. Go to Advanced menu. The original size currently is letter. We need to change it to tabloid, which is 11 by 17. Now the paper selection, again we need to change that. Paper size is tabloid. And the tray, it is tray 1. We are now ready to copy. Select copy. And here's the copied document. So this is how you copy a tabloid size document on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series.